Strong winds also ripped through Niagara County yesterday, knocking down trees and power lines there. That was the story all over Western New York, right? News 4's Angela Cristoforos joins us live now in North Tonawanda with how they're picking up the pieces. Good evening, Angela.
Nalina, it's packed a strong punch all across Niagara County, but especially in places like Lockport and Pendleton. But you can see that crews are still hard at work here in North Tonawanda as well. Now, at their highest point yesterday, wind gusts reached speeds of up to 72 miles per hour. Now, crews have their hands full as they work to restore power and clean up the damage that was left behind.
Those flames were like boom, 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 and my wife came out on the porch, and it was so bad where she said she could actually feel the heat on the side of her leg.
Tommy Brown watched power lines fall, spark, and catch on fire right across from his Lockport home last night. He's one of thousands of customers left in the dark after strong winds knocked down trees and knocked out power.
Our food is, it's in the refrigerator, there's no power, and we just went and got groceries, and it's packed in there. So, like, a lot of that food is going to go to waste if this is not on within, a few hours here.
Public Works crews have their hands full as they work to clean up the mess and restore power to thousands. At one point today, 1,000 people were without power on Park Avenue in Lockport alone.
Just trying to find a place that's warm and has powers so I could go on my phone.
We haven't had power for maybe a day now. We were sitting inside and then a big gust of wind came, and then next thing you know, we heard our tree falling from in front of our house.
Nearby in the town of Pendleton, strong winds caused some serious roof damage to homes.
Just from one of the cursory discussions I had with a roofer, he said that the whole front of it would have to be totally torn off and replaced.
Just miles away on Maple Road, crews had their hands full trying to remove a massive tree branch from the roof of a home.
It caught me off guard a few times when I was walking around and stopped me right in my tracks. I was like, where did that gust of wind come from?
A spokesperson with NYSEG and National Grid says at this point it's still too early to tell how soon all affected Niagara County customers can expect to have their power restored. But National Grid estimates that up to 90% of upstate New York customers that were impacted should have their power restored by Friday evening, but for some it could be as late as Saturday night. At this point, more than 10,000 customers in Niagara County are still without power. Reporting live in North Tonawanda, Angela Cristoforos, News 4 at 5:30.